How to resize image on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So to do this, we're going to be using the shortcut application. So if you can't find it, all you got to do is go ahead and swipe down in the middle of your screen, type in shortcut like so, and then open the shortcuts application. Now what I want to do is on the top right, press the plus icon. And then I want to go ahead and search for a resize image. So I'm going to search accents and then I'm going to type in resize image like so. Now I have the resize image and select it. Now all I'm going to do is tap the highlighted width variable to select a custom pixel target. So I can, go ahead and let's just leave it at 640, for example, and then it can auto adjust the height for me, which is obviously pretty good. And then all I'm going to do is tap the search bar at the bottom and search for save to photo album. So I'm going to go ahead and press save to. So I'm going to press save to photos like so. So it's going to first resize and then it's going to save it. Now all I got to do is tap the information icon at the bottom and toggle show in share sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And then I want to press show in share sheet, press this check mark icon. And now all I got to do is press this. I can press this play, or I can go ahead and press this. And I obviously have a lot of different options right here. So all I'm going to go ahead and do now is once it's resized, again, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's on show and share sheet. I'm just going to go ahead and find my image. So let's say I want to use this image. I got to now go ahead and press share. And then I'm going to see it as one of the options in my little share area. I can even scroll down and find it here too. And yeah, it's as simple as that.